So, if you are a person like me with an overwhelming desire for LGS house, preferably a container house, then do not skip this video because the next few minutes is meant to enlighten you on several options that you can explore to get yourself one. My name is David and I represent Powerson Meta, a channel-based production and trading company that have exported and undertook several contracts for the construction of LGS houses and container structure in South America and the rest of the world. So you might want to ask the question firstly, what is actually a container house? So basically, a container house is a steel-based structure and with a minimal size of a container and is being protected by an anti-corrosive metal. Okay, so now let's talk about why a container house is becoming a necessity in this dispensation. Firstly, the price of a normal concrete structure is extremely skyrocketing and is becoming time consuming by the day. Okay, and without the use of standardized cooling system, LGS house or container structure are self-efficient. Okay, that is to say, it comes with a high rate of ventilation, and most importantly, you do not need to pay extra for expertise to come and install this structure for you. You can just simply follow the manual and then you just take the step-by-step description and then you can have your container house installed for you in the next few hours. Okay, so now there are so many companies out there, but why Powerson Metals? Powerson Metals give you a great warranty, reasonable prices, and of course an efficient anti-corrosive warranty. Okay, so now let's talk about our specialization. Okay, there are so many styles of continuous houses. Okay, but we have our own specialization, but generally there are maybe 3 or 4 types. You have the flat pack container house, you have the detachable, and you also have the fordable. Okay, so basically the detachable is where all the parts are being disjointed and then you have to follow the manual and just assemble them by yourself. Okay, and what the advantages it comes with: the detachable is basically easy to be packaged. Okay, because it's just simple parts that you just put together and send to you, and then you just have to follow the manual, so it's easy to be shipped. And moreover, you the user can actually have the opportunity to know how this structure is being assembled, because yourself can follow the step-by-step description and then yourself can what, just do it by yourself, and then it's done. So you have the opportunity to understand how it works and how it is being done. So in the next feature that you want to purchase again, you don't have hard times trying to adapt to how it is being assembled. Okay, we also deal with the flat pack. The flat pack is actually where the basement, the base, and that of the roof of the house, or the floor, you might want to call it the floor, is also already being established, or let's say managed and fixed by the company. Okay, so now when it's being sent to you, you just have to again follow the manual, but this time around it's just very easy. You just take your time and then just go through it, and then you can finish the rest of it. Okay, and the affordable is where all parts of the house, the container house, is already been fixed and installed. You just have to just wake it up and then just, yeah, lift it up, and then from the view angle of the container. Okay, so basically that's what we deal with. That's the container house, and like I said, it comes with lots of advantages. What are the affordable, the flat pack, and the detachable? The advantage of a container house is the fact that it is so like cost efficient. You don't have to spend much money, you don't have to spend more time. Just a few days or just a day can help you install your house. So I guess it is an opportunity for you to have a container house. So We want to say thank you for listening. Powerson Metals give you the best in container houses. And if you need anything or more like questions or whatever, our WhatsApp contacts and our email is right below the video. You can leave a comment and we can address your questions. Okay, so, and you can just click the link below the video there, and then you can watch the video about the installation and the various types of container house. Thank you for listening to us. Bye bye.